If you're looking for a product to protect you from the wind and the cold and the elements, consider the Weather Defense Facial Cream. It will keep your skin nourished and hydrated and protected. The reason we did this product in the first place is that we got a lot of feedback from both skiers and cyclists that the sunscreen would protect them from the sun, but they didn't have any protection from the elements. So if you look at some footage of the last Winter Olympics, for instance, some athletes even wore tape across their face to help protect it. Well, we think our cream can help in this situation. We've got a number of hero ingredients that are in this product that help protect you from the elements. The first is this castor seed oil, which is quite a medium density oil that will sit just on top of the skin. It's got soothing qualities and it's the main protector from the wind particularly. Then we also combine that with macadamia oil. That's a little bit more lightweight, that will kind of sink into the skin a little bit more, but it's also a protectant as well. Rosehip oil is also included, and we put that in because of its inflammatory or anti-inflammatory properties and also to help with photo-aging. Aloe vera is in there for soothing and also to help hydrate the skin, and shea butter for skin softening and sealing in moisture, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties as well. So to apply this product, just one fingertip of cream per side of your face and rub it in properly, making sure that you rubbed it in really nice. Let it sink in for 4 or 5 minutes before you actually go out and get active, because it does take a while for it to kind of absorb into the skin. I'd suggest that you reapply it every 2 to 4 hours, depending on the conditions. So if you're in the water or it's especially windy, or if you've been sweating a little bit, then you may consider reapplying it a little bit more often. You can also combine this with our sunscreen. If you want to check out the sunscreen video, pop over to that page and have a look, but put the sunscreen on underneath, let that light dry formula sink in and dry, and then put the Weather Defense cream over the top.